Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a rice cooker to repair. Customer has given me, they said it's not hot. Yeah, there is power but no hot. Yeah, so let's see what is the problem. If there is power, so if there is any thermal fuse, so fuse is okay. There is power but no hot, cannot cook, unable to cook. Yeah, at first we will check this fuse. Yeah, sorry, this not fuse, this is the switch. Yeah, this is the switch. And before we check the switch, we have to check the heating element. Yeah, this is heating element is very important. So our meter should be the continuity range. Yeah, continuity range. Then one terminal we have to put it here and touch here. Oh my god, so heating element has been spoiled. Yeah, see, if I connect together it's beeping, but if I touch here, yeah, so it's not beeping. So this problem is heating element is spoiled. Yeah, to heating element is spoiled is very costly, better buy new. In your area if you see heating element is very cheap, so you can change. Yeah, the full set heating element. See? This is the heating element. Yeah, full set. Yeah. This is the heating element. Sorry dears, so this rice cooker cannot repair because here will be very expensive heating element. So I'll inform to the customer your heating element is spoiled, so cannot repair, and better you buy new because it will be very expensive to change the heating element. Okay, that's it. You have to check the, it's very important. If other parts are spoiled, so we can repair it, we can fix it easy way. But if heating element is spoiled, we have to change the full heating element. Yeah, so and it will be very costly, so better buy new. Yeah, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.